Hello, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Let's look at this. Fun start a GoFundMe to make Kanye West a billionaire again. I was like, what is wrong with these people? Kanye is already a billionaire, guys. What's up? All right. So let me read this from Lad Bible, Australia. The rapper might have lost 2 billion in one day, but that could soon be turned around. Let me go direct into the comment section right here because I'm confused. Okay, a billionaire, uh, even if he broke like what, can they do this to him? What about the people that are starving? Oh, thank you. Rishi Cohen said, how about feed the starving first and person who donate a single penny? This should be absolutely ashamed of themselves. I go, yeah, I support you, dear. This is true. Okay, they should start feeding the starving, then okay, go around and simply supporting everybody who's suffering instead of doing GoFundMe for Kanye, who is already a billionaire. Okay, let come here. How about feed the starving? I will read that. It's fun to really love him. This is really love. You can see people are actually loving. Okay, let me come to the comment section here. Betray. I'm trying to picture the person who's actually started this, their life, the reasoning, and how they might think they are doing something meaningful and contributing to someone well-being. Like, let me devote myself to this cause. I would share the person I picture in my mind, but then it wouldn't be nice and be stereotypical, so I keep the image for myself. Okay, sure, love is measured in money, um, I or real stupidity. This is what they said. Okay, let me go down. Man, these are a lot. Let me go check out other comment here. This is why alien wouldn't visit Earth and why we need a zombie apocalypse. I need a few 2 billion that is left in his account, more like $200. Okay, the guy's already rich. Why are they doing this, funding him like this, instead of feeding the starving? He's already a billionaire or a millionaire, and he does not deserve these things. Okay, go fund me. Um, when I click the link, there's no link there, but only the picture that we have here. So I think this is what is happening. But I said, please, those who are doing this, support the poor or the people that are starving, and then do your thing. Okay, people are starving everywhere. You guys should start funding them instead of funding a billionaire. Thank you guys for watching.